If you get to hear me now, if you get to hear me.
Delta Team, you are cleared to engage.
Game mode is find and arm the bomb. To win, you have to take the bomb to the enemy spawn.
Where are we going? Where's
Our squad decides to run to the building across the street so we can suppress and overwhelm the enemy.
hit? Medic! Should load up the gun too. Check this out, check this out. What? Is that you? Hey! Get down, get down. Ah! You hit. Get down. Watch this side. What? Alright. Two guys up there. I don't know, I saw someone run right here, but I can't remember for sure. I don't know. There's a guy right here. Get ready. Right here, on your right. Right here. Holy shit. sweat you watch who's on it. Where are you going? Oh my god, don't ever do that. Watch.
Alright guys, so here's the incident that I was referring to in the title. The player that pokes his head in the building thought he bang-banged Ry-phy. I respect that he called his hit when I bang-banged him, but the fact that he argues with Ry-phy and purposely tries to shoot him after he was already out was totally unacceptable. Airsoft is an honest played sport and a great way to make new friends, but these kinds of actions are totally unacceptable.
You never said bang, dude. You said bands or no bands. That's not a bang, bang.
You're good.
It is.
Right here, right here.
Anyone get
There's a guy right here on the window right here. Guys, we're getting suppressed real hard right here. Watch it, watch it. I got this guy right here in the window.
right?
Ow. Where's the guy? Where's the guy?
Friendly or no?
There's a guy right here.
Hold your head! Where is he? Straight across. I got him in the hand. Hey, Brad! Guy in the window. I shot him up like 13 times. Did you saw it? Oh, okay. Want a medic? Not hit?
No, I'm good, I'm good. You got it.
Alright guys, well I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you guys did, make sure you guys hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. If you guys want to go check out Ry-phy Airsoft, it'll be in the link in the description below. Tell me what I should do for my next video, everyone. Make sure you guys follow me on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, and I'll catch you guys all in the next video. Peace out, everybody.